Okay everyone, this is about the incredible TECTONICS tiny house. Anyway, we can see from the outside, especially from the front side of this tiny house, it has large transparent window and opening area, and it has TECTONICS unique of this tiny house. Anyway, it has one sloping roof system to the back position of this tiny house, and for the dimension for the tiny house around 4.2 and 6.5 meter. The elevation from the landscape until the ground floor around 2.2 meter, with a one gate system and one stair access on the front. Anyway, okay, this is about the outside look of this tiny house, with one sloping system of this tiny house until to the back of this tiny house. Anyway, we can look for more the details for this construction from the ground until the upper position like this. It's dominant for the lumber wall in this tiny house. Anyway, it has terrace on the front, maybe around 1.5 and 4.2 meter for the terrace area, and it has large opening transparent window right there and transparent opening right there. We can see for the one gate system from the front side of this tiny house. Okay, and this is about the interior of this incredible tiny house, with combination between the white color and wood texture color right there. And it has a one loft bed upper position or one floor more for the multifunction area right there. And it just has kitchen table and minibar table with cabinet on the ground table and the cabinet on the wall. Anyway, wall mounted cabinet. And we can see about the shower cabin area. This is opaque shower cabin. Anyway, this is opaque shower cabin. So the user could take a bath right here by using transparent mode of this glass. Anyway, so, okay, we can look around for this every side of this interior tiny house. Anyway, and I mean, it's so spacious feel of this area. Anyway, this is so spacious feel of this area with letter L or L-shaped sofa with TV position. This is about the large opening with a transparent glass right there. And this is about the one access of the staircase to the loft bed area. Okay, this is the loft bed area with a large dimension around 4.2 and 2 meter or more. Anyway, so it could accommodate for 2 or more bed. So for the sleeping area or bed area, it's on the loft bed itself. Anyway, you can look around, it is so large. I mean, this is about the communal space of the bed, because it has no privacy right here. So for the user who can live here, or maybe it's just for a couple, or maybe it's just for one little family. Anyway, but it's so spacious. It's so spacious vibes on this little tiny house of this little TECTONICS tiny house. Anyway, I mean, it's so incredible TECTONICS tiny house with incredible structural system right there. So it will be make the mesmerizing interior experience of this tiny house for every single day for living in here. Anyway, okay, we can look around for the another side. For the ceiling, it's so high that will make the spacious vibe of this tiny house especially. Anyway, okay, I think it's enough. So for the conclusion, I mean, there were a lot of space that we could make the more functional, such as a cabinet and many space right there, especially on the loft bed. Maybe we can use the another function, such as working area or leisure area, maybe, or maybe it's just for the holiday tiny house. Anyway, so the user just not only just not stay for long term right here, but it's just only for temporary living. Anyway, but it's depend on our decision for living in here. That's it's depend on our necessary for the living space right there. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you about this design inspiration, about this design insight, and I hope you could get your own tiny house, your own desired tiny house as soon as possible. And I hope it will be insightful for you, and just wait for my next video for from this channel. Thank you.